Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many users face. Telegram not downloading files on the PC app, especially after the new update. Don't worry, we've got some quick fixes for you. First, let's start with the simplest solution. Restart your device. Often, a simple reboot can work wonders by clearing temporary glitches or conflicts that might be causing trouble. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure that it's stable, as weak connectivity can prevent files from downloading. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa, to see if that helps resolve the issue. Moving on, it's important to check for device updates. Make sure your operating system is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes lead to compatibility issues with applications like Telegram. A quick update can often fix a range of problems. Now, let's discuss VPNs. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. While VPNs can provide privacy, they can also interfere with app functionality, including file downloads. If you've tried all these steps and are still having issues, it might be time to reach out for help. Don't hesitate to contact Telegram's official support channels. They have dedicated teams ready to assist you with any technical challenges you're facing. So, there you have it, 5 easy steps to fix Telegram not downloading files on your PC. We hope this helps you get back to chatting seamlessly. If you found this information useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.